Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brady here from MillerBrady.com, and thank you for taking a look at my Sizzle review. In a nutshell, Sizzle is a brand new course by Bill Hugel and Simple Spencer, who are top affiliates, and they made a brand new course where they teach complete newbies. Like if you don't have any idea about how to make money online, they teach you this in this exact newbie friendly course that they just created. And if that is something that you're interested in picking up, I will be throwing away bonuses that will help you make more money or supplement some of the trainings that they haven't covered with the product. So if you're gonna click the link down in the description, you will be sent to this bonus page where you will see here information a little bit more about the Sizzle, and it's going live tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will see here that Sizzle is a complete and proven 100-day system, including done-for-you proven to convert squeeze pages, blog pages, emails, and pre-selected offers. Right? So basically, it's a done-for-you business model that they're going to see you, and so you will see here the prices and upsells, which I will discuss later, and what you're getting. So these are my bonuses. My bonus number one is a secret traffic source that puts Sizzle on steroids. So this is a hack that I was able to get access for you guys that will help you make more money with the product with using the course, right? So you will see the traffic source that a lot of affiliate marketers, super affiliates, are using, and this is the one that I highly recommend you check it out. My bonus number two is my training for Instagram bot, using Instagram bot. So I'll try to properly believe you can still use Instagram bot, but then I will show you a hack where you don't use your personal Instagram account. You use other accounts that you can buy for $5, and you can just churn and burn them, right? So these are free traffic for converting affiliate offers, right? So this is a full tutorial. My bonus number three is how to build pro squeeze pages really cheap. They already do done for you squeeze pages right off the bat, but in the end you need to learn how to build your own squeeze page. But so if you try to grab services for this, you will pay maybe $50 to $100 per month with ClickFunnels and other services. But I will show you where you can get it really cheap, like one time $5, and that will help you, especially if you're budget conscious or you're starting out and you have no money. This tutorial will help you with that one. My bonus number four is my 3,000 high converting emails. So you will get access to my emails that I have sent that has converting really well for me. So I'll send everything for you. So this is anyway, the Sizzle account already gives you email templates, but then this will supplement more on it. At least you will have the idea on how to send emails, and the instruction is you can use them, edit them, and then make them your own, right? So you can totally use all the emails here. And bonus number five are all the vendors bonuses. So these are also offered by other affiliates. So I'm just making sure that you're not gonna miss out on the bonuses of the vendors that you're gonna get access. Again, if you want to purchase the product Sizzle, you can click the button here anytime during the video. All right, so I'm here on the members area. So you can see here that they have Facebook community, which is a very helpful support that you'll get, and the YouTube channel that he has. So I actually subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I see a lot of his videos, and they're really cool, especially with his background. It's really good in promoting affiliate offers in YouTube. So here they will see you, they will teach you how to set up your blog that is already done for you, and the bonus templates here, and grab your free account. They also offer that for you, and your squeeze pages. So this already done for you. You can get access to this one, and my bonus will teach you where you can create more squeeze pages for really cheap. And step number three, hooking up Aweber, which you need autoresponder. You can't build an online business without an email autoresponder. It doesn't work like that. So again, you can create a free Aweber account. It's free for 30 days, and you can use my emails to send for your subscribers. Then you also get the access here to your done for you emails. They will also give that for you. So my bonus is extra for you. Finding offers. So this is really cool because there's a lot of affiliate offers out there, and it's really confusing, especially for someone who is really new to affiliate marketing. At least this training will teach you where to get the best high converting offers that once you promote, you will get a high chance of converting and make money, because there's a lot of there that doesn't actually make you money, right? So this is a very helpful tutorial. Traffic. So there's paid traffic and free traffic. They will discuss that. So they will teach you about solo ads, in which I am actually using solo ads as well. And contrary to popular belief, it does work, right? If you can create an offer that is really good, it does work, right? And then putting all together, as you can see here, that it's really simple, guys. They don't complicate things like other affiliate marketers out there. They're just confusing a lot of people. That's what I like about this product. And the price just launching tomorrow is $12.95, so that's an early bird price. So I highly suggest that you pick this up tomorrow morning and not wait for it to increase their price, because it's a dime sale. Every sale they get, they're going to increase the price. So I highly recommend you pick this up tomorrow. So you get access to the powerful software and training modules. Upsell number 1 is the Pro upgrade for $37. In this Pro upgrade, we are including an additional 10 per day method that goes hand in hand with Sizzle, as well as a newbie friendly method to building our sponsored buyers list fast. So this is a more comprehensive training. The downsell here is $27. So if you are willing to pick this up, you can at least get the price here for $27. Upsell number 2 is the 5-figure paydays. This is our secret sauce system to doing 45 figures payday. Whenever we got a 50,000 PayPal balances, it's largely thanks to this exact method. So this is again another advanced training. They will get more marketing side on this one. The price is $37. Again, the downsell is $27. So if you are serious in building an online business and you wanna learn, you wanna go all in, this is a highly recommended upsells. Sell number 3 is the 10K Ninja for $197. The step level training to get $10 a month. It is hard to pay. Yeah, actually, I got access to this one, and it's true that some people did pay $297 for this one, because this is a high level course that they're teaching here. So they're teaching you how to sell high ticket items, how to use other affiliates and stuff. And this is really awesome. And you know, again, if you want to go all in, this I highly recommend you try this out. Upsell number 4 is the funnel commissions. In this upgrade, we're offering full resale rights, meaning you get ownership, like kind of ownership for the entire funnel. So meaning you can sell this as your own. So that will make you more money. So if you decide to go Sizzle and then, you know, promote the entire funnel itself on the entire product, you can definitely make like $400 on just on this product alone. So here are key benefits. So it's a easy $100 per day system, $124 a day, which is true. When I went through the training, and that works. That really works. Done for you, busy in a box. I like the idea of they're providing a squeeze page and then an email follow-up sequence that will help you convert your email subscribers for sales, and nothing crazy technical. That's right. So as you can see, the members here, here, it's really simple but very powerful. I actually learned some few things here that I never had an idea before, which is really awesome. So again, you can check my bonus page here and see my bonuses here. As you can see that these are my custom bonuses that will help you get more benefit out of Sizzle. So this is it for today, guys. I really hope that you get value from this video, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below. I always answer back to your comments, and you know, I really appreciate that. So again, thank you guys for watching my video. Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.